Hello everyone. Today's video is not going to be about air gun reviews or anything related to hunting pesting. Reason why I'm doing this video is to pass on information to everyone out there that there is a company that I purchased a handheld gimbal. Company's name is Hohem. Got it on eBay. Very nice case. Comes with instructions that are in English. Even has a total free number for support. Hohem iSteady Mobile. Paid around 80 bucks for it off of eBay. Problem with this Hohem product is my warranty period expired, which is 30 days. Here is the problem. The battery shuts off this gimbal before I can even have the Bluetooth connect. I contacted Hohem. The total free number, of course, is US, but somehow they got it. The total free number ends up going to China. So, in an attempt to get this Hohem gimbal, handheld gimbal replaced, kept getting the runaround. Nice little case here, nice gimbal. Even got a tripod. Unfortunately, they wanted me, first of all, to send a video of what's wrong with this, their iSteady mobile gimbal, which I did. I showed you. The unit shuts off within 30 seconds. Well, video was sent. They was trying to get a hold of the seller. I also tried to get a hold of the seller on eBay. No luck. Communicated with them by email. Left them voicemail. So basically what I'm trying to say is, if you buy anything, Hohem, they have some other products. Remember the name, Hohem. Anything from Hohem, because they will leave you hanging. That's the way it is. Now, I was able to get a gimbal from Joe Ria. Thank you, Joe, for the gimbal that I'm currently using. Yours is working. Mine is not working. And this is before you sent yours out. Mine has been broke for 3 months now. I've got yours, still figuring out all the buttons, but at least I got yours to work. This one worked for 30 days. Actually, it was 40 days, and then started having some problems. So, like I was saying, it's not just Hohem, even the one that Joe sent me, Joe Rev of Cyclops Joe on YouTube. This particular product the one he sent me, if it breaks down, good luck getting it repaired because you're going to be shit out of luck. That's right, you heard me. Shit out of luck. And when that happens, you have no customer support. I bought it because it said it was customer support. Well, technically, yeah, there is customer support, but it's all the way in China. So what good is that going to do me? Basically, they want me to send this back to them in China. Well, guess what? To send this particular item back to China is going to cost just about the same amount what I paid for. So why in the hell would I want to do that? So they took my money. I'm just trying to prevent anyone out there that is looking for a gimbal, you better think twice, because they are on Amazon, Hohem, handheld gimbal. You can look it up on Amazon. You can go on eBay. The problem is, if the company is not US based, and if it breaks inside of 30 days, well, you're safe. But if it's after the 30-day period, this is both Amazon and eBay, well, then you're stuck with a piece of junk. This pretty much is a paperweight. But all this is good for now. Unless I go in there and change the batteries out, I can figure out how to get inside it, but it does me no good. Same with scopes. Joe just did one. He did a $30 review on a scope, eBay scope. It works somewhat, like he said. But the eye focus piece, when you try to focus it, the point of impact changes. Sure, well, like he said, $30 scope will work. Or, use it as a doorstop. But great product. Thank you, Hohem, for screwing me over. I'm passing on the word, and I'm going to send you a link, Hohem customer support, through your email so you can check out my video about your product. I'm warning all the consumers out there that are potentially trying to buy your Hohem product and letting the public know that your company is. You want me to send this back to you? Really? It's going to cost me the same amount, if not more, to send out this back to you. Why don't you just send me a brand new one? You know this is defective. Send me out a new one. Why should I have this? I have the receipt when I bought it from you. So why Hohem? Why you can't just, send out a new one to replace this? Where's the customer support? You have none, because you know as well as I do that majority of the customers are not going to send it back in because it costs more to send your defective product here, Hohem, back to China. And your bullshit 1888 number that you have listed out of China, really? You're answering phone calls out of China? Wow. Yeah. Pretty slick of you to do that. So, folks, I'm letting you know that, hey, yes, got a bad deal on this. If you want to take your chances, go ahead. But remember, there are other products other than Hohem that may be just like Hohem, They say they offer after warranty support. No, they don't. They don't offer nothing. Fair warning to everyone. Stay away from this company, Hohem. Do your research. If they have customer support after you buy it, because if you have a problem after the 30 days is up, you're pretty well screwed, just like I was. So that's all for now. Hohem, I hope you're watching this. I'm spreading the good word about how bad your company is, and I hope folks will stop buying your product. Thanks a lot, Hohem. Now I have a paperweight. You got my email address. You got my contact phone information. I'm going to wait until you contact me. If not, then this video is going to stay up. Your company is trying to work with you, but you don't want to work with me. So this is the reason why this video is out. Till the next video, shoot straight. See you later.